I'm Sean with JDS Industries, and I'm going to talk to you in this tutorial about a material that you can sublimate and apply to natural fibers like cotton and darks. In the past, this has always been a tricky situation for sublimation because you cannot sublimate on dark material, you can't sublimate on natural fibers like cotton. So this material, called TAG, is a material that you can sublimate, and it has its own self-adhesive, so you can apply it to a cotton garment. It comes in an A3 size, that's a little bit over 11 by 16 inches, a sheet, and it can be cut by hand, by laser, or plotter. Now if you have a plotter cutter or a laser that has the technology to read registration marks, you can actually sublimate it first and then place it into your laser or your plotter, and it will find the registration marks and cut out the artwork. However, if you don't have that technology, you can cut it first, which is what we've done here, and then sublimate it. So this material, which is a microfiber flock material, here you can see this material here, we've laser cut this shape here first and sublimated it. We're going to sublimate and then transfer it to the shirt. Now, one important thing to remember, if you have sublimated the product, you're going to want to let it rest for about an hour. So this is the one we're going to actually apply to the shirt, but I'll show you the sublimation process. Alright, here's a transfer we've printed with sawgrass inks, and I'm going to cut a portion of this out. And we're going to apply it to this piece here that I've just cut with the scissors. Now when I put this in the press, we're going to apply it with medium pressure at about 390 degrees for about 60 seconds. And then after we sublimate, we're going to want to change our press settings because the temperature is going to be much lower when we actually apply it to the shirt. So in the flock material, you can feel which side is the side that takes the sublimation. It has a soft side. The back side has a slick backer that is removable to expose the adhesive for the transfer. So I'm just going to go ahead and line this up within the boundaries of this piece that I've cut out, and then we'll go over to the press and sublimate it. On my press, I've got one layer of saw paper towel that's just there to collect any overprint if there is any. In this particular case, I'm not going to have that, but it's okay to have it down here. If you do have a design that is larger than the piece that is cut, you're going to have some overprint, so that gas is going to go somewhere, and it can be collected on the bottom where this paper towel is. So we're going to lay this in the press, and we're going to have this so that the transfer is on top of the substrate, the TAG material. And again, this is going to be at 390 degrees for about 60 seconds, medium pressure. And this is a Teflon sheet that I've placed on top to prevent things from sticking to the roof of the heat press. Okay, release the pressure slowly. And be careful because contents will be hot. We're going to take off our Teflon and roll off our material. Now this is the final product, but this is not the one we're going to place on the shirt. For time reasons, we're going to actually apply one that we've already finished and cut out, and we're going to place that one on the shirt. This one has rested for over an hour. So from here, I'm going to reduce the temperature on the press down to 330 degrees, and we're going to set the time for 17 seconds. And this is going to take a little while to cool. Alright, we're going to apply this graphic that we've cut out with a laser and sublimated earlier. And again, that time between sublimating and applying it to the shirt is important for the glue to reconstitute itself, and we want it to then be reactivated when we apply heat to it again. To do that, we're going to tear the backer off, the slick backer, and for this you just have to compromise an edge right here to get a hold of the backer and reveal the self-adhesive. Now it's not very sticky right now, it's not activated yet. So again, at 330 degrees for about 17 seconds, that glue will reactivate itself on the garment. Let's go over to the press and we'll be done in just a few minutes. This is a center graphic. I'm going to line my shirt up so that it's centered with the pole, and the collar is centered with the pole. And a general rule about putting graphics on shirt is a 2 or 3 finger rule. From the collar down is where you want your graphic to start. The nice thing about this material is that the glue is activated at 330 degrees, so we don't have to worry about the sublimation degassing. It's only enough heat to activate the glue. So I'm going to go ahead and press this for about 17 seconds, 330 degrees, medium pressure. Release the press slowly. So here is our shirt and our graphic. Now we'll just let that cool. Here's one we did earlier. This one has a little more intricate design. And obviously with a plotter cutter or a laser you can do as complicated cuts as you would like, because it does cut all the way through the material. With the laser, or if you're going to cut first, you're going to do one thing here. You're going to make sure that you have the artwork so it has a contour cut for the laser. That's the actual size of the graphic. And then you're going to have a contour edge that's slightly larger, and that's going to be where your artwork is for the sublimation. So you'll print that one with the contour cut and the bleed edge, and the laser will be the actual size of the graphic. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the TAG material or anything else sublimation related, contact us at 800-843-8853. You can also find us on the web at jdsindustries.com, and you can find us on Facebook as well.